Hey everybody, so I'm sure you're all wondering, what did Rory have for a combine? Here you have the 2016 S660. Rory is the second owner of this machine. The first owner ran a season and a half of beans on it before Rory bought it. 1,500 hours on the engine, a little over 1,100 on the thresher. All around very clean combine, guys. You got your duals up front, cab's very clean. We'll take inside, we'll run it. We do point out that there's that little scuff mark there. That was like I said, make sure to ask me about it if you have questions, but they had snagged the auger at one time. Everything's been fixed. Auger's nice and balanced, works perfectly the way it is. They just never bothered to try to fix that panel because they thought they'd probably do more damage than it was worth. But absolutely no damage or anything to this machine as far as mechanically functioning. Make sure you take a look at the pictures of the concaves, the different bearings and stuff that have been pulled or changed. I took pictures of all those. We will run this thing for you here so you can kind of hear it. And all around, guys, very nice combine, low hour, 2-owner machine, almost like a 1-owner. Always kept inside. And any of you guys that know Rory, takes fantastic care of his equipment, and as you can see from here, this one again, guys, this has never been power washed or waxed, anything like that. They hand washed this unit, wiped it down, so you're seeing her almost kind of how her work shoes would be. Make sure to take a picture or look at the pictures of the engine and everything. Showed you the lift chain, everything. We'll run it here in the next few video, guys, but if you're in the market for a used combine, this S660 is going to be one of the nicer ones you're going to find.